Okay. It's on.
Alright, perfect.
Sorry.
No worries at all. I just read that step. I think it should have been first.
Alright, I'm going back
So
to...
I have what do you think about I don't know how to. I was working in my app for the web. I found this framework called jQuery Mall. Uh, it's very good and easy. Um, I would like to show you something that I was working with myself. Um, one second.
Oh, you already started yours.
Yeah, right. It's almost gone. The
Okay. I was gonna say, holy cow.
I called this a point factor. Mm,
Hmm.
They have 4 pages. Uh, I don't know. It's just this is just HTML, CSS3, and Java jQuery. They don't have um, logic inside or programming something like that. It's just presentation. That's it.
Oh, okay, so the buttons don't do anything, basically.
No, no, right. They are working. For example, I can go home, go back, or to income, or wait, or for example, reports. I was doing something like that. For example, I can, for example, press that one and I can see, something like graphic. Uh, but it's just the pages. Um, but of course, we need add databases or um, Aja, I don't remember how to call it, something like that, or JavaScript and everything that for this task. But yeah, this is I was working with my son today. I don't know. So
Are you both okay with the coin tracker is one of the proposals?
I don't know if we can use whatever we can. This I just was practicing a little my app. We can choose whatever.
Okay,
Whatever is
because we have the coin tracker, and then mine and Jonathan's are a little similar, but I think Jonathan's would be easier to work on as a group. Yours is
Yep.
the chore tracker, and then mine's the honey-do list.
Oh, okay. Yeah, yours is pretty similar.
Yeah. So, I mean, they both have chores, but mine, I think yours is a lot more simpler.
Mine will require an SQL. Well, if we do mine the way that I proposed it, it will require an SQL. Okay.
And so will mine. For the, I plan on having one for the names and the chores and rewards.
Well, I mean, I suppose you could do local, but it would limit the usability to one device. That's all. I mean, it would, but wouldn't be very
If you
useful.
want to use mine instead, that's okay.
I don't really, it doesn't bother me either way.
Alright, then we will think very hard about which two we want to do, and then come back with our answers on Saturday and actually plan them.
I'm not opposed to just flipping a coin.
Hey, that's a great idea.
Yep.
Okay, maybe
That's
we'll
good.
do that.
Okay. Do you have a coin?
Yeah,
Not by me.
I'll have to go. I don't have my wallet with me. It's in the other room. Oh no, maybe I do. Also right here. Oh no, I do. Maybe I do have a coin.
Okay, my son is looking for.
Yeah, I don't have one by
No. Okay.
Hold on. I do. I got a
Okay.
quarter.
Okay.
So what do we want to do?
Let's do the chore related ones first. So yours can be heads, mine will be tails.
All right. All right. We got tails.
Tails. Okay.
Okay. Can you guys see tails?
I
Alright.
trust you. Alright, now we'll do yours and the coin tracker. Oh, but we need to say which one do you guys want? You guys get to decide if you want heads or tails now.
I'll take tails.
Okay.
Okay. The other one. Yeah.
Tails again.
Tails again. Okay.
Because we
Oh,
waited. I don't know.
and if there is anyone who is opposed to the outcomes, speak now.
Yeah, I mean, it could be a weighted coin. It's from the 70s.
Oh gosh.
It's older than me. That's for sure. It's older than I am. Alright. So, I'm not really opposed, so I guess was that mean that we're gonna do chore tracker, I guess?
Sure.
Okay.
I'm fine with whatever you guys are fine with.
I'm fine with it too. I just haven't done any. I haven't pre-started it like Henry has pre-started his.
I haven't started mine at all either. Since he started his, should we go with his? I have a better idea. Better outline.
How I guess so. Yours is basically set up, Henry, just for presentation purposes right now, but it's not really, the back end work hasn't been done on it, correct?
No, right. Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
So I mean, we could do that. I don't think there's a problem with that, and then we'll just all have to work on getting the back end stuff working.
Alright.
So I think we just do Henry's because it's already been started.
Okay, sounds
I'm all for the easy route.
I think most people are.
I'm not lazy. I
Let's
just
come up with 2 proposals.
Huh?
So we'll make that one of our proposals. And we'll just do one of the chores for the second one on Saturday.
I think my wife's home from Zumba. I just heard her.
Oh,
Yeah.
fun.
She might come and say hi.
One way to work out.
I normally do stuff too, but since I've been sick, I haven't done anything.
Have you guys taken project management yet?
No, I have to take that.
Oh my goodness.
I don't have to take a. I don't think I need to take a class on that because I already have to do that. Yeah.
And it's very time consuming.
In my class. Yeah. Okay, so I've been taking minutes for the meeting. So plan 1. I don't know if you guys have, but I've been jotting down.
Okay.
Well, we started about 7:35ish your guys' time, right?
Yeah, I don't think we need to make these meetings too long. But we're just kind of getting acquainted, so that's
Yeah,
fine.
and now we know record. Sorry. I did not see that until I think 7 o'clock.
Oh, Karen, turn the light on, thanks.
And then the last thing for today, it says that we just need to post the recorded link onto our community.
All right. So plan to so 2 proposals are to propose.
The coin tracker and one of the chore ones.
Yeah, coin and chore.
In the minutes.
Yeah, I've been doing the minutes, and we didn't decide on an image or a tagline.
No, we didn't. Okay, does anyone have anything they absolutely want?
I don't really care. We could do hashtag Starlord
Okay.
or L0RD because maybe that Starlord is being used for things. I don't know. I really like that movie, and I really like that comic.
We watched it a couple nights ago.
I can't wait for the second one to come out.
Let's see.
Image could be Guardians of the Galaxy.
Yeah, I was just looking at images really quick. Here, I will share this. Okay. You see a particular one you like. You want it to be from the movie?
Wait.
How about the very first one?
We could just do that.
Okay.
I don't know. Does everyone like that movie as much as I did?
I thought it was alright.
It's okay for me.
I thought it was. I was kind of the reason I liked it so much because I was not expecting it to be that good, and it was that good. So
Did you read the comics?
I haven't yet, but now I want.
Okay.
I think I thought I wanted to. I liked the movie though. I wasn't expecting the movie to be that good.
Do you guys play computer games at all?
Yes.
But do you play? What do you play?
Well, right now I'm playing Assassin's Creed.
Oh, you play Assassin's Creed. That's fun.
Yeah. Before that, my wife got me out of Mordor.
What about Skyrim?
Oh yeah, I played that too.
Okay.
I just about beat it.
Just about beating.
I ran out of missions after like 2 years of playing it.
Oh my goodness. No, I'd say I'm still not even a quarter way done with the mission.
No, I can't even find. I play it and I try to go find missions and I can't find anymore. So, like I used to just go out and explore and find like a dungeon and go beat the level, and then I eventually ran out of that and I don't have anything else to do.
You never killed the person you're supposed to? Or did you kill them before you were supposed to?
On Skyrim?
Yeah.
Oh no,
sorry, Elder Scrolls.
well no, if you get well.
Sorry, we could be talking about many.
No, you can do that though. Like on the PC version, you can run the commands and fix a lot of those bugs that they had on the Xbox.
Yeah, the Xbox runs really slow.
I ported my save profile over from my Xbox to the PC.
Uh-huh.
Played it on there and fixed all the bugs on it. That one.
Cool.
Yeah.
I've never done that.
It was a rather interesting process, but it worked. No. Yeah, that's fine. I think that image is good.
Alright.
Do you have any feelings either way?
No, it's okay for me.
We could just do Skyrim, or we could do Shadows of Mordor.
I probably would have just picked a duck, like I said. Just a Donald Duck or something, or... Yeah. Does it let you just copy the URL? Nope. Or drag the photo. You know, could let me drag it. Nope.
Okay, so I guess we're also supposed to make project assignments for preparing your project's proposal and plan how you will complete this before this week's deadline. So I guess are we supposed to put together like a written proposal?
Did it have second?
Oh, to answer your question earlier, I work at Charter Oak Federal Credit Union in their IT department.
Okay.
And I'm mainly responsible for a lot of things. I cannot list all of them because they vary from day to day.
Well, it's cool that they were willing to pay for your school.
Yeah. Well, yes, it took a little bit of persuading because I guess the new CEO didn't want to do it anymore. They used to, I guess, and he didn't want to, and then my boss somehow persuaded them, and now they're doing it. So it's cool.
Yeah, I want to get an internship, but there's not many places around here, and I don't want to leave my son with someone, mainly because of the fact that I'm more attached to them than me most of the time.
Oh, gotcha. Well, they're a pretty good place to work for. Yeah, there you go. That's a good part of the image.
My username is Lala. Alright, so you wanted Star-Lord. Is it lowercase L?
I usually do STIRL0RD because the first one's always taken.
We can do that. Is it okay if I do it all lowercase? It looks a little silly with the capital S. Oh, I guess not. We usually do capital.
Yeah, I usually do capital.
Okay.
My handle on my iPad is whatever it is on the games on there. Star-Lord with a 0.
Alright, wonderful.
Sorry.
And then I do think I've been getting my classes mixed up all week, just so you guys know. I'll be talking to one group thinking it's for a different class, and thankfully that hasn't happened during this meeting. But I think I remember reading somewhere we need to pick 2 topics. But I don't remember where I saw it. Oh, this meeting I didn't even say to learn the topics. Oh, maybe I didn't see it anywhere. Alright, maybe I'm just being silly.
What do you guys use for your IDE?
Sorry, say that again?
Yeah, your integrated development. What do you guys use? Like I usually just a text editor.
Oh, I don't know. I've never used too much. I used NetBeans.
Yeah, I didn't. I had to use it for Java, and it was just
I
like
did not. Java's been my least favorite. The NetBeans. PHP. I like using it with PHP, but even then, I found myself actually using Notepad++.
Yeah, I use Notepad++.
And I think that's what I usually use, and I only use NetBeans when I absolutely had to.
I use blind text. This is,
What's it
I
called?
think it's Sublime Text. Very good.
Oh, I haven't used it. Do you like it?
Yeah, it's when I started programming, I was using a Notepad plus plus,
Uh-huh.
but I brought this computer and my computer and the Notepad, sorry, Notepad plus plus was not for Mac, so I found this
Really? I thought
Sublime.
Plus was
Yeah,
open source.
really?
Yeah, I thought it was, and then well, even if it's not, if it's for Linux, then I think you can develop it. Just build the package on a Mac.
Oh,
I
well,
don't have a Mac.
I have one, but I put Windows on it.
I tried to do this last two semesters ago, and I deleted my computer completely. So I stopped trying to do this. But let me show you something about this this software here. For example,
Oh, okay, I guess they don't have it. Huh. I wonder if someone ported it though.
you see this? You
I
see
thought,
my screen, right?
yeah.
So look at this. Just one click.
Oh, okay. The blind
This
text.
this called Emmet. This plugin, and I just write down the exclamation point and press that, and that's it.
No, it's not bad.
Yeah, this is a snip. Something. I don't know how to do that. Very easy to use. I don't know how to do that.
Hmm.
Oh, I found it. So your team will need to select 2 ideas to propose to your instructor. This should be selected by a whole team. Okay, so we went through that. But it should consist of one or combination of Word documents, Google Sketches, video. But it needs to cover some of the topics and resources. But it doesn't have to be in great detail, but it does have to kind of cover them. Now, the one thing I'm confused on is the second team meeting where it says each team member teaches the technology they were assigned to learn.
Where do
And supplies one piece of sandbox code to each team.
Yeah, I think it's because we have I think 9 topics to learn in this class. Um, about CCS transition, CCS animation. One more.
So is it just not that we're really assigned, but topics we picked from the topics and resources page?
Okay.
Is that how we get our topics?
Yeah, well, I don't know.
I will post that in the course questions then.
But, well, even if there isn't an assigned one, should we kind of just decide ourselves on what we want to look up or something? And then report back on Saturday?
Yeah, we'll do that.
Because
Okay.
I kind of want to pick something that I don't know a lot about or don't know much about or don't know anything about.
Yeah. Same. Um, let's see.
I'm pretty familiar with the JavaScript and CSS3 stuff.
Now, I looked a lot on Ajax stuff already, but I don't even know if I'm saying it correctly. And I tried looking some of it, but I couldn't find a whole lot. So maybe if I go more in depth, I'll be fine. But is it that's the resources, or those are the things that are included? You know what? I'm familiar with document object model, but I think I want to learn more about it.
I'm just, well, some of the terminology was different than what I think what I was used to listening to back 2 or 3 years ago when I was taking this.
Okay.
So once I read up on it, I was like, oh, okay, I know what that is. I know
Yeah.
what they're talking about. I know what they want. And the same, not completely with Ajax, but Ajax, I was like, okay, that makes sense. I've seen that in a bunch of products that they use at work.
Yeah.
Because they use a lot. I know of one in particular where that's all throughout, but it's using ASP, not. But it does have JavaScript in it.
It does. No, I'm glad we're using JavaScript in this class because I don't feel like I know it well enough yet.
No, when I took a class on Java, well, when I had to take the class, the JavaScript was the last one I took, so that one is probably more fresh in my mind than like one of the last projects they had me do. Because we had to write this program in JavaScript that would simulate a rabbit race, and it was a pain.
That's fun.
It would be the tortoise versus the hare, and it would have to be completely random every time, and it was rather difficult.
No, I haven't done that yet.
It was an interesting project.
Yeah. And then I also don't know much about the JSON introduction or the
Uh,
data serialization.
I don't know too much about it. I kind of was researching it just to see what it was
I
exactly.
tried, but I still had a hard time figuring it out, understanding what I was reading, I guess I should say. So I think I'll do that as well. Are we
Yeah.
supposed to pick two, or are we supposed to pick just one?
I don't know.
Jason is I was reading about it. Is you can update your page, or let's say you can update one part of your page, but you don't need to refresh the page, the whole page, just one part. And this is a JSON do, for
I thought
example.
that was Ajax.
Sorry.
Yeah, the Ajax does that, right? That's
I thought the Ajax was to do because it's the synchronous JavaScript and XML, and I know JavaScript can do manipulation on objects. Uh,
Uh,
well, CSS3 is starting to be CSS is starting to be able to do that too, because you can manipulate like effects on and when you hover over text, and now it used to not be able to do that.
okay. Yeah. Yeah. That's right.
Because the last time I took a class, well, when I took it, it was like CSS3 would just come out. It was like back when Internet Explorer 9 was just coming out, and they were showing us half of the stuff in Internet Explorer 9, and most of it didn't work yet. So we had to do it in like Opera. We had to do most of the testing in the Opera browser for most of that stuff, because that was the only browser that all that stuff worked in.
Internet Explorer. All right. Well, I guess we're good.
Yeah, I guess we're good.
Report
I
back
mean,
on Saturday.
I think just each of us come back with some topic that we sort of looked up or something, and
Yeah.
if you post that in the questions, that would be good.
Okay.
Actually, I'll check and see if someone has.
Okay.
All right. Well, it was great to meet you guys.
All right. See you then.
Have a wonderful rest of the evening.
Thank you. You too.
Oh, and don't forget to post this on our.
I'm gonna try. I don't know how, but I'm gonna try.
Yeah. All right. Thank you.
All right. Bye. See you.
All right,
Bye.
take care. Bye.